Hello again. So, wow, I'm really getting a lot of great questions in my email, and I so appreciate them. So, the next one is wow, Amanda, not getting the whole countable versus uncountable nouns and when to use how much or how many and how is it all related. So, let's get into it. Great question. So, first of all, remember a noun, a person, place, or thing. I am a noun. You are a noun. Guess what? This is Harold. This is Harold, my cat. Harold is a noun. So, again, sorry, Harold. Harold, he's a funny cat. A noun is a person, place, or thing. So, now let's talk about countable versus uncountable nouns. Well, countable nouns are nouns we can count with numbers. So look at the picture books, strawberries, those are things we can count with numbers. So we can say 5 books, 3 books, 1 book, 2 book, 3 books. You see how we can count with them. Uncountable nouns. We cannot count with numbers. So we can't count rice. We can't count bread. So anything we cannot count is an uncountable noun. So, for example, we would say, I would like a bowl of rice. We wouldn't say, I want 5 rices, please. Because, wow, we definitely need to eat more than 5 rices. Bad joke, sorry. All right, so now we know the difference between countable nouns versus uncountable nouns. All right, so what does that have to do with how much and how many? Well, let me explain. When you have an uncountable noun like rice, we will use how much. We can't count how much rice is in the bag, so we will ask, how much rice do you need? Do you need a bowl? Do you need a bag? How much do you need? Now, when it comes to countable nouns, we will use how many because we can count our countable nouns. So, for example, how many strawberries do you want? Do you want 5 strawberries or do you want just 1 strawberry? So, how many we're going to use with things we can count, how much with things we cannot count. So, for example, we can count bananas. I would like 3 bananas, please. 1, 2, 3, 3 bananas. But we cannot count milk. I would like a glass of milk, please. How much milk would you like? Just a small glass, please. So again, I'm not going to say I want 5 milks. I am just going to say I want a small glass. Now, if I wanted 5 milks because I have 5 people with me, then I would say I would like 5 glasses of milk. But milk is an uncountable noun. We can't count it. All right. That is it. That was pretty fast. I hope that's helpful. If not, always feel free to reach out to me and keep those awesome blossom questions coming.